What's up, everybody? I'm self-proclaimed burger expert Dylan Fole, and today we're going on a hunt for the best burger in Bali. Oh! Bali is known for a lot of things. Beautiful beaches, rice terraces, swings. I love eating local and street food as much as I can when I travel, but after 2 months of noodles and rice, I'm ready for a cheeseburger. Of course, you can get a cheeseburger pretty much anywhere. There's a million of them. Can't try them all. But I compiled a list of some of the best ones that were consistently on all the top 10 lists online. We're gonna be trying some crazy burgers, some simple burgers, some fast food style, all the above. The rules are simple. I'm gonna walk in and ask for the best burger they make with no modifications. Best one wins. So what qualifies me as an expert? Well, I've been celebrating Bacon Cheeseburger Friday every week for the past few years. I've made thousands of burgers in my life and know my way around a kitchen. Follow along with me in this video if you wanna make the best burger you've ever had. But today, it's all about the Bali burgers. Let's get eating. I'm at Wacko Burger in Seminyak trying their Macintosh Burger. It's got bacon, mac and cheese sauce, fried mac and cheese. It's ridiculous. This is gonna be too much, I think. I think it's gonna explode, but it looks pretty bomb. I'm gonna dive in. There's hot dogs on the burger. Oh my god. It's exploding. The hot dogs might be a little bit too much. I figured it would be messy, but it's like absurd. The mac and cheese is bomb. I think the sausage is a little bit too much. The bun gets kind of soggy because of the mac and cheese. Re-upped mac and cheese. It's unique and it's damn good. Mac and cheese is awesome addition, but it's just so messy. Overall, the Macintosh Burger from Wacko was just okay. When you hear a mac and cheese burger, you can't not try it. But obviously I knew it was a gimmick and it was gonna be messy. It was even messier than I imagined. It was all over the place. The chorizo was kind of unnecessary. The burger was just adequate, nothing special. Bacon not real crispy. So overall, nothing special. Not the best, but let's keep trying. I'm at Butcher Club Steakhouse trying their signature Butcher Club burger. This thing looks insane. Dry aged beef, bacon, cheddar. That's it. That's all you need. So pumped for this one. My favorite thing is just a classic bacon cheeseburger. I'm so excited right now. Oh, I'm so pumped right now. Cheers. That is a good burger. The bun is nice and squishy toasted. The burger is fantastic. I don't taste the dry aging as much as I thought I would. It's probably not dry aged for like months or whatever, but it's a damn good burger. So juicy, and it's staying together. 3 pieces of bacon, that's a good number. That's the right amount. This is a proper bacon cheeseburger. I am pumped on this. The bun is so good, basically perfect. Juicy, staying together, nice and medium doneness. This is the right way to do a burger. So juicy. Bacon could be a little crispier, but nice layers of it so you don't like lose it on every bite. Does anybody else try and design their last bite so it's the best? Like we'll pile up like extra bacon to make sure I get all of it on the last bite. I wish this burger never ended. I'm sad this is my last piece. Butcher Club Burger, on point. That ruled. Simple bacon cheeseburger. Amazing ingredients, right amount of bacon. That ruled. The other burgers are gonna have their work cut out for them. We're at Smash and Dash, basically a combination of In-N-Out, Shake Shack, Smash Burger, all rolled into one. This burger looks amazing. Crispy patties, American cheese, lettuce, tomato, onion. What more could you want? This thing looks epic. Dive in. I haven't had an In-N-Out in so long. The bun's way different than In-N-Out. That's the first thing that strikes me. I'm not sure. It's like super thick. Yeah, the bun is way off. I'm not the hugest fan of onions on the burgers either. The bun looks normal, but there is like something about it is way off. That's a bummer. The meat's good. The cheese is good. So I wasn't expecting In-N-Out quality, but I was hoping to find something So overall, pretty disappointed with Smash and Dash. You got some massive shoes to fill trying to compete with Smash Burger and In-N-Out in the US, but you really didn't even come close. The bun was so far off. I don't know what it is. A lot of bread here in Bali is not decent. I don't know what they're doing wrong, but it's wrong. Unfortunately, this one is not gonna be the best. All right, so after all those burgers, we gotta take a quick break for Massimo Gelato. It's unquestionably the best. We don't need to try a million ones. This one is the best for sure. All right, back to burgers. Next up is Boss Man and Seminyak for the Al Capone Burger. Bacon, grilled onions, American cheese, barbecue sauce. It sounds perfect. I am psyched. Unfortunately, it's too loud in there, so you can't hear me nosh on this burger. So I'm a little biased, but to me, this is like the perfect burger. I don't need the lettuce and tomato, but give me some grilled onions, some barbecue sauce, bacon. Oh man, this is so good. The juiciness, it's almost like, might be a little bit too much mayonnaise. It's like exploding everywhere. Damn, this is so good. The bun is proper, squishy, but not like too much. I could complain maybe could be a little more bacon, a little less juicy, but damn, this is so juicy, it's ridiculous. I am so pumped on this burger. When I ordered, he asked if I wanted a double, and that would have just been too much. The ratios wouldn't have been right. This is perfect. Overall, Al Capone Burger was on point. Bacon, barbecue sauce, oh, that was perfect. I love that burger. The burger itself was perfectly done, juicy, amazing. I am so psyched on that burger. All right, Burger House for the double cheeseburger. Well, 2 patties, 1 piece of cheese, 1 piece of bacon. Unfortunately, you gotta pay per piece you want, and I'm running out of money, so it's gonna hurt it a little bit. To be fair, it was the cheapest burger on this list though. The bun is fine, the burger's fine. Definitely more cheese and bacon would have been better. Overall, this burger is just okay. Kind of nothing really special. It's just a burger and fries. The people were super nice though. They gave me a free bottle of water, which I think is my first free YouTuber perk ever. Shout out to Burger House for that. Definitely better than Smash and Dash, but overall just okay. Not gonna be the best burger in Bali though. When I had the idea to find the best burger in Bali, I was only gonna pick the top 3 that I'd found online, try them, and pick a winner. But when I had that first mac and cheese burger, I knew right away that wouldn't be it, and I wanted it to be a tough choice. So then I added Smash and Dash, but it was awful. So then I tried to add Fat Tony's, which has a 4.8 out of 5 stars on Google, but it was closed for renovations. So that basically leaves Butcher's Club and Boss Man. It's a super tough choice. They were both really delicious. Highly recommend them both. But the winner is the Al Capone Burger from Boss Man. All the ingredients you want, juicy and delicious, freaking amazing. I wish I had another one right now. That was one of the best burgers I've ever had anywhere. So next time you're in Bali, make sure and check out Boss Man. You won't regret it, I promise. And if you like this video, smash that like button, let me know in the comments, and I'll do some more. Thanks for watching. Best burger in Bali. Oh no. I can't believe that just happened. I had the idea to do a fake fall and then I really fell. Oh, I'm so stupid.